Before we start the video, did you know you could win this product? That's right. Simply read the description to find out the contest details. Make sure to follow us for contest updates. Welcome to LiteHawk. Today, we'll be unboxing the Big Tom SC and going over some of the main features of this exciting remote control vehicle. Using the included tracks, this full-size remote control truck can carve through tough obstacles with ease. For a more spirited adventure, switch over to the oversized tires and drive like a traditional off-road truck. Inside the box is everything you need to get started driving the Big Tom SC. Remote, battery, charging peripherals, snow treads, off-road wheels, and the Big Tom SC truck are all included. Big Tom SC comes equipped with a huge suspension travel, unique ALPINE color scheme, and high durability protective roll cage. To get started driving the Big Tom SC, first charge the vehicle battery using the USB charger. Next, insert batteries into the remote. Finally, turn on the remote and the Big Tom SC truck, and wait for the red flashing light to go solid. Now you're ready to go! Using the off-road treads, the Big Tom SC can tackle mud, snow, and other challenging terrain that wheels simply couldn't handle. Switch to the off-road tires for a more traditional off-road experience. The Big Tom SC is available now! Discover the fun of tracked off-road vehicles with the Big Tom SC and Little Tom SC. Welcome to the world of LiteHawk! Hey LiteHawk fans! Head over to our channel for more exciting LiteHawk content. Unboxings, contests, and action videos await. Head over to our website LiteHawk.ca for more information on LiteHawk products. Catch us on social media for product updates, contests, and community events. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.